North.
Yep.
How far you want us?
Bob here is pretty good. I mean, as far as you want. I'm not gonna micromanage your shit.
Alright.
Just kill it.
BTR down the road, north, moving west to east.
Whoa, fast.
Prep AT, prep AT.
Now it's northeast, northeast.
Clear my back, clear my back.
You're good, you're good.
Back's clear. Alright. Good fucking hit, eh?
Alright, went in. BTR down.
Be advised, we've destroyed a BTR to the northeast on the east side of the AO MSR over.
Well, damn. I don't want to do anything anyway.
Fucking slow, but at least I'm killing motherfuckers. My fucking arms sweat, motherfucker.
Man, I wish we could get our shit. Another BTR direct northwest, about 300 meters, is coming down that same MSR.
Hey, where's the
Yo,
Maz?
get that AT ready, get that AT ready.
Yep.
That law's not gonna do dick. Where's our Maz team?
Right here. It's turning towards us, coming direct
Oh, shit, clear
northwest.
back last.
You're good, bro,
He's
you're good.
fucking flying.
It's fucking close. Hey, range is
God damn it.
50, range is 50.
It's not even a BTR, it's a BRDM.
We got a friendly down, friendly down.
Range 50. Frag out.
Dragging you to cover, Cooper.
You got infantry contact north.
Keep him suppressed, keep him suppressed. I got injured here.
Back clear, back clear.
You're hit bad in the head. I'm gonna try and clutch your head here real quick.
It's destroyed. Hey, Schmidt's down up here.
More contacts north.
Fucking Schmidt, you're fucking pushing up too far, eh?
Whitman, you up?
I'm up, there's more contacts north coming in.
Hey, firm, keep him suppressed if you can.
Cooper's down.
Yep, Cooper's down.
That
I'm
is
clotting his
yellow,
head.
at my pause on the northwest side near the road over.
He took a big hit to the head. I'm clotting him. I've been clotting him for about, this is probably my 5th clot.
You're a fucking mess. You look like a fucking 13-year-old's tampon.
Alright, doing a pulse check just in case. His head's clotted. I've got no heart rate. I gotta start CPR.
Yo, start it, but I gotta cover you.
Alright, yeah, cover me.
This is Alpha's AR. I got at least one
Bravo to
black
actual.
being
I'm doing
revived
CPR
at
on
this
someone,
time.
so I need to. I'm gonna be out of context for a minute here. Whitman, you take Bravo for the moment. I'm doing CPR.
Runner.
I would honestly,
Second round of CPR.
I would honestly pick him up, move southwest where the his squad and cover is right now, because we're
Alright.
literally on the front line.
All right.
I'm shooting at the enemy right now. Like this is.
Yeah, I know. I just blew up a fucking BTR about a minute ago. All right, I'm gonna take him southwest. You said. What squad is he?
Yeah, move southwest. He's my squad. Bandit 1.
Bandit 1.
Go west, west,
Moving.
west, by the rock.
Follow me.
What up?
All right.
I'm on Schmidt.
Friendlies, friendlies.
Crossing fire about day.
Crossing fire. Crossing fire. Crossing fire. Is this Bandit 1?
This is Bandit 1. This is
Bandit
this is
1.
where it is.
You got a black
1.
right here. He's he needs CPR. I did 2 rounds.
If you
This is
just,
Gravity Mustang at my
just keep doing it
location.
while I
keep doing
do
CPR.
CPR on the Welsh.
Hey,
Yo,
bro.
where is
Keeping up
where
secure.
is
left. Bravo is on that hill right there. I want you
Kelly?
guys
Where
to
is
consolidate where you can.
Walsh
I
is
need
another
someone
behind us, so is
casualty
Cooper.
clearing point.
Yeah, I'm walking the
Alright,
Walsh.
so
and Cooper are there.
Yeah, so
Oh,
we're
shit.
half
Stay
half.
close by. Yeah.
Checking
So
pulse.
this is it.
So we got 2 reds.
He's got a
2
strong heart rate.
Yellows.
Yeah, he's just
and,
gonna pop up
1
when he can.
black.
Pull
Alright.
security
I'm gonna
for these
check
guys.
his pressures.
Watch the
We're gonna
north.
probably give him a
Got
cocktail.
security.
All right, I'm
I
getting
got
back to the
Walsh.
fight. Good
There
luck.
he is.
Take care, buddy.